Like any other day, the morning light warmed the kitchen. Sarah, taking her first quiet sips of coffee, was enjoying that perfect moment of calm, until a sudden question broke the silence. Her daughter Emily had something big on her mind, the secret behind a language everyone seemed to be chasing: English.
Mommy, can I ask you something serious? Why does everyone say learning English is so important? I try, but it feels so hard sometimes.
That is a wonderful question, sweetie. Yes, it's more important now than ever. Why don't you sit down for a moment? Think of English as a superpower. It's the universal language for almost everything cool.
A superpower? Like being able to fly?
Almost. First, it gives you access to the best movies, games, and books from around the world without waiting for a translation.
Oh, is it like watching a movie without subtitles, Mom? So, no more waiting for my favorite YouTube creators to get subtitles.
Second, when you grow up, it's the main language for the internet, science, and business. If you speak English, you can talk to anyone, anywhere. It gives you so many more opportunities.
So, if I want to be an AI coder, I have to read English books?
You got it! The most cutting-edge knowledge is always created and shared in English first. It keeps you on the fast track. Now for my third favorite reason, connection and travel. Imagine you are standing anywhere in the world, Italy, Japan, or Brazil. Who can you talk to?
I could tell my international friends about our traditions.
English is the bridge language. It allows you to make friends with people from entirely different cultures. You learn about the world firsthand, not just from a textbook. It builds your confidence and makes you a true global citizen. So remember, English is an investment in your future, your knowledge, and your ability to connect with 7 billion people.
I feel much better about why it matters now. I'll try my best, but I still wish I knew how to learn it faster.
You will, and I have some secrets for that. For our very next morning coffee chat, I promise to share my 5 best tips for learning English faster and better than anyone else.
Really? Yay! I can't wait!
So, if you're a parent or a student who wants those 5 golden tips to learn English faster too, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next video.